Hello everyone, so this is my first video and today I am going to teach you all the chapter photosynthesis. So the first question that arises in our mind is, what is photosynthesis? So as we have learned in our previous classes that photosynthesis is the process in which green plants make their food, and today we will learn more about it. So let's start. Living organisms. They are divided into two parts, that are plants and animals and human beings. So in plants, they are not dependent on any other organisms for their food. As they do photosynthesis, they are not dependent on any other organism. On the other hand, in animals and human beings, they are dependent on plants and other animals for food. We are taking pulses and vegetables from plants, and if someone is non-vegetarian, they eat animals and they get their food from them also. In plants, they are called autotrophs. That reason we have studied that they are not dependent on any other organism. That's why they are called autotrophs. And in animals and human beings, they are called heterotroph, means we have read that they are dependent on plants and animals for their food. Now plants, the nutrition that the plants are taking in is called autotrophic nutrition, and the nutrition which the humans are taking, the animals are taking, that is called the heterotrophic nutrition. Beside these dissimilarities, there are some similarities in both these cases. So these are three similarities in both plants and animals. First is growth. Now they grow throughout their life. Mainly plants grow throughout their life, but the growth of animals are limited. Now a small plant becomes a tree, a small baby becomes an adult. So this is growth. Second is reproduction. They give birth to young ones and of their similar kinds. The third is adaptation. They respond to stimulus and adjust to change in surroundings. Like a camel, they live in desert. We humans, in winter we wear woolen clothes, in summer we wear cotton clothes. So this is adaptation. In the word photosynthesis, photo means light and synthesis means combining. Therefore, photosynthesis is the process by which green parts of the plant make their food from carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. These are the equations for photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide plus water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll makes glucose and oxygen, where glucose is the food of plants and oxygen is given out by the plants. This is word equation and this is the chemical equation of photosynthesis. Leaves are the main photosynthetic organs, means leaves do photosynthesis and they make the food. Photosynthesis also occurs in the cells of green stems. Chlorophyll is contained by leaves and the chloroplast is contained by chlorophyll, which are the actual sites of photosynthesis, is that traps solar energy and change it into chemical energy to prepare glucose. This glucose is distributed to different parts of the plant. Chlorophyll traps light or solar energy and becomes energized. This energy is used in the splitting of water molecules into H plus and OH minus. Radicals. This splitting of water molecules into hydrogen and hydroxide radicals is called photolysis of water. Thus, the oxygen from OH minus is released into air. Thus, this hydrogen combines with CO2 to form glucose. the whole glucose is not completely utilized by the plants. Thus, the extra glucose is stored in the form of starch in different parts of the plants. Leaves have stomata for the entry of carbon dioxide needed for photosynthesis and for the exit of oxygen produced during photosynthesis. So this was it for today. In the next class, we will study about the stomata and the factors affecting to photosynthesis. After this, if you have any queries, you can ask in the comment box, and like, subscribe and share my channel. So thank you and bye.